Okay, this is a proposal for a tidal turbine, and the beauty of this sort of system is it can probably be arrayed very simply with some of the earlier structures I've shown. Now, how it works is you have this braided bag, so a braided tube bag running over a central pipe. It could be just central pipe sections, and the braided bag transfers the torque, tension braided bag, transfers the torque from these rings with propellers on them onto that tube for long sections. So the tube can just be a thin walled tube inside, and at the section here, if the braiding cover factor is about 1.0 at that diameter for that tube, there's very little compression actually on that, but it's able to hold the torque. I guess you'd have the tube slightly larger so that you're going to transfer torque up that, or that braid becomes rigid at that point. Um, Here, to construct this part, you need to add more thread per weave, basically, to have the profile of the braid change in order that you can get these rings in the construction. That would have to be added in the construction, as you're not going to be able to get it inside after you've made that. So the ring parts, I guess, unless you make sections that long and only that long and join them together with clamp rings around an inner ring. If you clamp onto that braid at the end points, why not? If these diameters change, to become quite large, you could add on, multiple blades or whatever, like the earlier systems we've described. So you could have these, much larger. If we grade up to, say 4 or 5 times larger than that, and add on multiple blades around the outside, you could have some of the designs we discussed before. Let me know what you think.